going to start to actually add a new field. Now, I haven't done this myself, so we're on a bit of a learning curve, but we've actually got somebody sitting in the background here with us. Let's hold on and see how we go. Know that we've got to change this actual system through to be allowed different. Where are we? Yeah, so first off, we needed to be in as administrator and actually display the technical features. Well, we'll need to edit that to do that, of course. So we'll save that. Now we'll just refresh the screen quickly. And we should start to see the sidebar getting more populated here, but then it becomes a lot more complex. A lot more stuff going on in here. So now we actually want to start looking into adding a new field. And I'm just scrolling through
database structure.
Then fields.
Create.
Now what I've heard in the earlier is that we actually need to have understand where we're actually going to add the field here. So it was human resources, it might be something like HR, config settings, or human, and I'm just sort of giving some visual. No. So we're going to have to try
leads, since we already
so we're going to go into leads for this discussion, and we're going to put a new one here. We're going to just add this as a sample for the moment, and sample new field. And we've got a whole heap of different types of fields, but we've got the slimline one, which is sort of like this. Yeah, we've got what do we say? Text was more like a long descriptive type field.
Yeah, it's a much bigger box.
Yeah. So for this exercise, we're just going to go with the character one. Yeah. And the size 0 must define standard. Serialization field, it's not really. And we can tick off a few things here, but realistically at this point in time, if we wanted to have the search so that it was up into the search field here, and we're saying that this is something that can actually start to filter out a little bit. So we'll leave it at not searchable, but we'll save that one for now. Now we'll come over into our sales area, leads, create. And now we've actually got to start bringing it through into the user screen. To do that, we're going to have to go in and effectively come into our About ERP, activate the developer mode. Just waiting. I'll just pause for a second. Right, now that that's loaded up again, we're going to go into here and edit form view. Yeah. My navigator in the background. And we actually, what I didn't do is I didn't actually copy the original name, which was a bit silly.
You called it x_sample, I believe, if I remember correctly.
So we're going to come through here and we're going to find our groups. Now the groups are defining, here's one group, and that's defining where on the side it is. I might just kill that for a second. So a group is sort of the left-hand side or the right-hand side for this discussion. Okay, so we're going to come down now. So we've got the section header, section area, group. We're looking for the field name. So you can start to see sales team there. We might try and put it down underneath sales team. Trying to find. See address.
Sometimes it can be cryptic, so what you have to do is you hold the mouse over sales team to determine the actual name of the field, and then you can search from there.
Okay. So what was said there is we can actually hold above, if we're in edit mode now, we can hold it above here.
I believe under the words sales team.
So it's section ID is the actual field that we're looking for, and
it's difficult to find. That's why you need to scroll over if you want to effectively modify the user interface.
So we actually did see section ID here. So straight zip. Stage ID. We can put it under here for now anyway,
Yeah,
can't
for
we?
simplicity.
Oops, what did we say it was? We called it.
X underscore sample, I believe is the name you
So
gave it.
in the future, you may want to actually copy paste that, and then we're going to actually add the field in here if I'm steering correctly myself. We're just going to cut that out. We're going to
Replace the word facts with the X underscore sample.
whoop, I'll just pause for a moment. I hit the wrong button and it went left field, right field, went everywhere on me. So I'm just going to actually leave that. That's only a housekeeping thing, isn't it? Let's say
Yeah, the
just making it.
spaces are not necessary,
Yep,
they're there for aesthetic.
yep. So I'll just left that predominant just so it comes out a little bit next time. Because we're no doubt going to want to edit this field as well. So close that. Doesn't really need to be saved at this point in time.
No, because you just,
Now we'll come back into here. You might want to refresh the screen.
yes, I believe that's necessary still.
Oops. Have I done it?
Yes,
Hey, there we go.
sample new
See?
field.
Now you'll notice that this has come through onto the right group, whereas I might have been trying to look. So that's a little bit of me and the amount of time that I've sort of spent to show you easily enough. Okay, well, thanks for that. And maybe next time we'll have a look at a tab or something. All right, all the best in success, Anthony. See ya.